Hi guys, Ron here out in the shop. One of my projects today was to create these stain color sample boards for customers to take a look at and see what color they might want to have for their project. I've pulled out all the stains that I had on hand. Didn't realize I had so many. I have 16 Varathane and Minwax stains, and then I just got in 6 and a couple more on the way of these Saman stains that I've been hearing about. I guess they've been around a while, but I haven't heard about them. Tried those on the sample board. I'm really impressed with these. I'll bring you in and show you a close-up of these samples. But got a customer that ordered a set of the nightstands that I built. The recent video I just posted. She wanted a set of those because I had posted those on Facebook, but she wants a different color. So she sent me a picture, kind of what she wants. And she's going to bring by a drawer front of some of her furniture to see if I can match it. So that's why I picked up these 6 new ones. I got some grays and some browns because it's kind of a grayish brown from the picture I saw. So that will probably be a follow-up video on how I mix and try to, if that's success or not. But anyway, I wanted to just show you guys these, and if you haven't done it before, maybe encourage you to do your own sample board. I wrote on the back, so I just taped off these sections and then wrote on the back which stain it was, so I would know. But anyway, if you do something different or have different ideas, throw them out here so the community can learn. Well, that's what we're here for, right? Anyway, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.